Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to fix TikTok followers not showing problem. So if you are facing this problem, first of all you have to open up your TikTok application. So before proceeding, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And after opening your TikTok application, now tap on the profile icon which is on the bottom right. And after tapping on your profile icon, tap on the three bar icon which is on the top right, and then tap on settings and privacy. After tapping on settings and privacy, scroll all the way down and you can find report a problem option. And after tapping on that, in topics you have to tap on accounts and profile. And after tapping on that option, tap on edit profile and then tap on other. And after tapping on other, now you have to tap on no, and then you have to tap on need more help. And after tapping on need more help, and now you have to tell the problem which you are facing in your TikTok account. And after typing in your problem, you can also provide some other details, like you can add the image or photo of that problem which you are facing, or you can also add a video of that problem. And after entering these details, just tap on submit. And after tapping on submit, you can see your problem has been submitted to TikTok, and they will try to fix your problem. So if you think this video was useful, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.